everyone, good afternoon. This is Richard over at Coachwest in Carson. Today I'm showing you this gorgeous 2014 Ford F650 Super Duty. It's a turtle top Odessy XL diesel, of course. It's a massive bus. It's huge. It's a 37 passenger. Again, that's an F650. It's got the front view glass window on the top. It is in really good shape. I've been looking at this thing and walking around it, checking everything out. So let's go ahead and take a closer look here. So here's the color code for the paint. Turtle top. It's pretty clear right there about the maximum weight and passengers allowed. And then here's the manufacturer's sticker. It was let's see here, Turtle Top, Indiana. And let's see here, there's the VIN number. Here's the Ford production sticker and production date. Let's go ahead and take a look out at the driver's compartment. Alright, so we've got 76,884 miles on it. It's almost empty. Well, it's clutter everything. Your basic controls here, wheelchair lift. I don't think it has a wheelchair. No, it does not. So why it has that there, I have no idea. But I guess I have seen that before, where the control panels come with some options that aren't necessarily included. This is pretty neat. Voltage meter and I don't know if that's the engine or for the transmission temperature. Pretty cool. Load leveling. Nice. Well, let's take a look around. The seats are in really good shape as well. Just crawl on out of here. And this actually retracts. This is pretty neat. So it's got a shade for over the driver's area, so it can help keep them cool on a really hot day. The rear air conditioning controls are right there. Basically, you just set the temperature you want, the fan speed, and you're off. It's got the all the literature for this vehicle right in there. There's a fire extinguisher and first aid kit right there. And it's pretty cool because it's got like little flash screens all along the way. Some of them even have the speaker built into it. Here's the handrails, and it's got wood flooring. And it's got double opening entry doors with a lit up emergency exit. There's the handle. It's got overhead storage racks. And the seats are actually pretty nice. I mean, it's got two-tone gray insert with the black trim and the stitching and fold-down armrest. So this is, keep in mind, this is a 2014 model, and it's got the center free flow climate control. 2 units, 37 passengers, overhead compartments, wood floor. This is over the lap seat belts, emergency kick-out windows. You got 1, 2, 3. I'm counting 4 emergency window exits, 2 AC units, Jensen surround sound speaker system with pretty much a flat screen on every single aisle. That is pretty neat. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that's like private jet style. That's pretty cool. And again, this is a 2014 Ford F650 Turtle Top in excellent condition. And it does have underbelly storage compartments for the luggage, and you've got overhead luggage compartment as well. So, and they're sturdy, I can assure you they're pretty sturdy. And you got the front view window. I mean, you're really getting all the equipment of a brand new $200,000 bus in a used 2014 model bus, and it's an F650, and it's got let's call it 77,000 miles on it, which is not a whole lot, you guys. So if you have any questions about this bus or would like to see a video on another bus, I forgot to mention there's the overhead emergency exit right here with the release handle. So you've got a total of 5 emergency exits plus the original entry door, which also has an emergency release, so that's considered another exit. So you got 6 emergency exits plus the 2 doors up here in front. And this bus, I gotta tell you guys, like I said, it is in really good shape. Let's if you like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just take a quick take a look around. So here's the emergency exits, excuse me, undercarriage storage. And let's see here. Yeah, it's got a nice look to it. Very nice bus, you guys. 37 passenger rear luggage compartment, backup camera, retractable step for the luggage area, and it's got really nice tail lights. 2014, 78,000 miles, mint condition. Give me a call. My name is Richard with Coachwest. Phone number here is 310-609-2900. Thank you so much and have a great day.